Sure you can too.
I love you.
Try to fit these.
Those are hard questions.
Well, you know, for me, the reason why I sing is, the reason why I sing Hawaiian music is to perpetuate not only my language, but my culture and the people that I represent. And, you know, you find it rare for someone my age to be singing the kind of music that I sing, but it's in a good way because, you know, I can inspire, maybe inspire people my age, people younger than me and older than I am, and show them, you know, how it's important to, I mean, not only to pursue Hawaiian music, but to listen to it. And that's what my goal is. I want to be able to spread, you know, my gift as much as I can.
That's great. And I think that art is important in the world. You know, I think it's way more important than sometimes we give it credit for. For instance, you know, if we think a little bit about, you know, the past, you know, the problems in the world and 9/11. Juan and I were on tour when that happened, and of course everything was canceled, all the tour dates, and you know, we didn't know whether we'd get home or not. And the concert presenter called us a couple of days later, and she said, you know, Keola, people still want to get together. You know, they sort of need to be together. And this is the same thing that happened in New York. I mean, our response to 9/11, our immediate response, was not to launch a nuke. It was art. People came together in the park and they had a concert.
Wow.
Because that's how powerful music can be in people's lives. And you know, the transitions that we make, I get so many beautiful emails from people that said, you know, my daughter was born to your music, or my mom died and the last thing she wanted to hear was, you know, this song that you recorded.
Right.
You know, so music really helps us in the transitions of our lives, you know, whether it's coming or going.
Yeah, and it's healing too.
Yeah. So I think this album is going to have a lot of that sort of transcendent quality of you know, helping us understand the passage of time and the idea of love and of letting go.
Yes.
You know?
I feel it.
Yeah. So I just hope that you know, that we continue our journey together, and we do plan on doing a lot of touring and stuff, and so we're going to try and get out there and have some fun.
I think people will love it.
See what happens.
You may say that I am a dream,